So I have the RoadCaster Pro here, and I want to show you this feature that I think is going to make life a whole lot better for musicians. This actually has the Bluetooth function. It has the Bluetooth, meaning I can make and receive calls. Now you may say, you know, I don't do podcasting. I just play, or I just produce. So if you're a producer and you need for someone to hear your music, true to sound, or you're playing something, what happens is with this Bluetooth feature, they'll be able to hear true to sound what you're actually playing, right? So over the phone. I know you don't believe me. I'm gonna call somebody. Let's call John B. I don't know if he's gonna answer the phone, but let's call Jonathan Brown from J Brownie Points. Let's see if he'll answer. John B. How you doing, man?
Man, I ain't making up noise today. What's going on?
Hey, listen, I got you. You're on my RoadCaster Pro. Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so this is the thing. I'm doing an actual live video now, and you'll see it. It's not live Facebook, but it's live YouTube. This is the thing. Check this out. You're not gonna believe this, but I'm gonna actually give you music true to sound over the phone.
Okay.
Sounds crazy, right? Because you know, like it's some type of something. So now this is just keys right here. You're gonna hear me playing keys over the phone. Could you hear that? Now for producers, we have to send the client's music via email or whatever, and we're not necessarily finished with the music, right? So this is going to give us, now I'm going to play you something from YouTube. I'll just stop it right there. So it's nothing that I actually did. I just went in and set up the RoadCaster Pro Bluetooth to my phone so that they could hear me. And I could hear them through this device, and they could hear me on the phone. This is the thing. They can hear everything that goes into the RoadCaster Pro, whether it's keys, microphone, USB to the computer. They can hear everything that's going to their phone right in their RoadCaster Pro. So that feature alone for a producer is going to make it actually worth it for you to purchase this for producing, because it's very aggravating to have to send clients music via email, you know, and you're not even finished with it. Or let's say you wanted to call your mentor and you wanted to see if this chord was right. They'll be able to hear that right on their phone, just as you hear it, true to sound. All right. So yeah, check it out. Check out the RoadCaster Pro, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be life-changing for musicians. I'm just talking about this from a musician perspective, and I'm not endorsed by RoadCaster. So I'm telling you, this is what it is. This is everybody talking about trying to move into 2020. Yo, check this out. Check the RoadCaster Pro out. I'm telling you, it's gonna be actually worth it.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.